Are you struggling to input text into your form during React testing? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to effectively handle text input in your React, Jest, and Enzyme shallow rendering tests. I totally get it. Writing tests can be tricky, especially when it comes to simulating user input. Many developers face this challenge, and it can be frustrating when your tests don't behave as expected. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to input text into the username and password fields of their login form during testing. If you've been stuck on this, stay tuned as we break it down step by step. To understand the issue, let's take a look at the form structure. You have a username and password input, and you want to simulate entering text into these fields. This is crucial for testing the login functionality effectively. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your testing process even smoother. To begin testing the form submission, the user needs to simulate entering text into the username and password fields. This can be done using Enzyme's simulate method. Next, the user should ensure that the state of the component reflects the entered values. This can be verified by checking the component's state after the simulation. Now, the user can proceed to simulate the form submission. This is done by triggering the submit event on the form element. Finally, the user should check if the login function was called with the correct credentials. This can be done using Jest's mock functions. Fun fact: did you know that testing frameworks like Jest and Enzyme were created to make testing easier and more efficient? It's like having a personal assistant for your code. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves directly setting the value of the input fields in your test. They suggest first finding the username input and assigning it the desired value, then doing the same for the password input. This method allows you to simulate entering text into the form. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your tests are clear and concise. This will not only help you debug faster, but also make it easier for others to understand your code. And there you have it. You now know how to input text into your form during React testing. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.